VP Online AI Resource Breakdown Structure Generator is a professional tool that helps you clearly organize and visualize the resources required for your projects. In VP Online, you can access the AI diagram generator from the list under the AI Tools button, or explore the full collection on the AI Tools page to find the diagram that best fits your needs. Enter the project details and click the Generate Resource Breakdown Structure button. A diagram with AI-suggested content will be generated below. If you already have clear ideas, such as project goals, scope, or specific resources, include them in your description. Then, regenerate the diagram. Those items will be reflected in the updated structure. To edit and export the diagram, click the View or Edit Diagram button. All content and styles are fully customizable. You can change the overall design by applying a different theme and adjust specific settings like node margins and text width. When you are finished, log in and export the diagram. If you are using the Combo Edition or above, your exported diagram will be watermark-free. You can also save your edited diagram to your workspace for future use. Simply reopen it anytime to make additional edits or updates as needed.